Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A11, and today I will show you how you can turn off Google Assistant. At the first you have to go for the Play Store and get the latest version of the Google app. So let's get update. Okay, right now we can open it. Go for the more, tap on the settings, click on Google Assistant, and next you have to wait. There's some kind of debug. We have to turn it off and then open it one more time because it was still locked before the update. So let's enter another time. Let's find out right now. Okay, right now it's fine. As you can see in the new update, it's different, right? So when you got the update, you have to scroll down and find the general, then tap on the switcher, click turn off, and as you can see, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs up, comments, and subscribe to our channel.